Hey El Paso, you need to watch this if you want to slash your energy bills. Recent shifts in the economy have led to a 30 to 40% drop in solar panel prices, the lowest they've ever been. But here's the kicker, this won't last. Now's the perfect time to lock in unprecedented low prices. The economic slowdown has slashed costs, but as the market rebounds, prices will rise. Beat the rush. More homeowners are jumping on these deals, which means supply could run thin and drive costs back up. Maximize time-sensitive incentives. Take advantage of the 30% federal solar tax credit before potential policy changes or deadlines. By going solar now, you not only lock in the lowest prices, but also start saving immediately on your energy bills and protect yourself from future market fluctuations. This golden opportunity won't last. Schedule a free, no-obligation consultation today to secure your savings and lock in these historically low costs. Don't wait, this rare combo of low prices and incentives is a once-in-a-lifetime deal, El Paso. Let us help you make the most of it today.